Hey guys, what's going on? I got another treat for you. You won't guess where I'm at. Check it out and get turned around. I was running Mecca for a bunch of runners. Unfortunately, I'm on the injured list, so I can't enjoy, but I can walk. Out here in Austin. Beautiful weather, great running trail, facility set up, beautiful people. Yeah. And then of course, alright guys, make sure you get outdoors and get you some outdoor therapy, some sunshine, a trail walk, a park, something. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. Bye.